Welcome. Today we are going to learn community helpers. Doctor. Doctor treats patients and cures illness. He uses stethoscope, thermometer, medicines and injection to treat patients. Nurse. A nurse assists the doctor and looks after patients. She also uses stethoscope, thermometer, medicines and injections. Carpenter. A carpenter makes wooden furniture for us. He uses a saw, hammer, drill, etc. Barber. Barber cuts hair. Barber uses scissors, comb, hairspray and shampoo to dress our hair. Potter. A potter makes pots with mud and clay. He works with a potter's wheel, thread, mud and clay. Teacher. A teacher educates students. She teaches us reading and writing. Teacher uses books, charts, a blackboard and chalk. Farmer. A farmer grows crops, vegetables and provide food to us. He works with a plough, tractor and sickle. Postman. A postman delivers letters and parcels to us. He carries a bag in which he keeps his letters and parcels. Policeman. A policeman maintains law and order in the community. Fireman. A fireman puts out fires and saves the lives of people caught in the fire. Fireman uses a fire engine, pipe, ladder and fire extinguisher. Tailor. A tailor stitches and mends clothes. She uses a sewing machine, needle, thread and scissors to mend our clothes. Vegetable seller. A vegetable seller sells vegetables. He uses baskets, a weighing machine and a cart to sell vegetables. Blacksmith. A blacksmith makes things from iron. He makes things like utensils, sickle, axe, sword, etc. He uses a hammer, tongs and furnace to make things. Sweeper. A sweeper keeps our locality clean by sweeping roads and grounds. He also keeps the city drains clean. He uses a broom, bucket and dustbin to clean the roads. Chef. A chef works in the kitchen of restaurants and hotels. He creates the menus and prepares the food. Traffic police. Traffic police controls the movement of traffic on the road. He also tries to minimize accidents and traffic jams on the road so that people can move easily. Baker. A baker bakes cakes and cookies. He uses baking trays, an oven and variety of cooking items. Soldier. Soldier fights for our nation and protect us from our enemies. So children, Today we learned about community helpers. Community helpers provide us with services and make our lives easy. In next video, we will learn some another topic. Till then, bye bye.